This is a video for TIERTIME as it relates to my new UPBOX X. Get a picture of that video. This is an UPBOX X. This is serial number 534339, and again, this is for TIERTIME. This is going to be a cold start, so I will turn the button on in the back right now. I'm turning it on right now. So that's actually a yellow. Let's see, turn on the lights. So I will now initialize this printer. 1, 2, 3. Printer's on. There it goes. It won't engage. See? So I have to push it like that. I push that bar right there back, the gantry, towards the back. Here comes the plate. And there it is. So I'll do that once again. I will uninitialize the printer. 1, 2, 3. Printer goes down. The gantry moves over. Now the wire, in all fairness, for the auto calibration is off. Let's see. Okay. So there's the auto calibration, and that's the yellow wire that when this gantry moves along, I don't know if this video can show it, but when it goes over this way, that yellow wire connects that screw, and when it goes this way, it catches and pulls the yellow wire out. So here it is. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to initialize the printer. Let's see. Turn it on. The printer is on. All the lights are on. This is a little bit different than my older UPBOX. Those lights would be off right now, I think. I do believe. Okay, so now I'm going to initialize the printer. I'll come over to here. Press it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Beep. The gantry is moving. Okay, that time it worked. Let's try it again. 2, 3. I uninitialized it. And the problem is in this switch right there, this end stop switch. I don't know if I can even point to it. The end stop switch. Let's see. Okay, this switch. So in the switch, if you put a little piece of duct tape in there, in between there, it's about 0.4 millimeters, and that's just enough for it to catch sooner. So I'll try it again. I will turn the printer off. Okay, the printer is off. I will turn the printer back on. I am turning the printer on. And I will now come over here. I will now initialize. 1, 2, 3, and watch the gantry. lights are on. Here goes. Okay, the end stop just kicked in. Now the end stop over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, it didn't. In this case, it didn't even initialize the end stop in the back. The, if you will, the what's that? The X end stop. That end stop. It didn't even go over there. So why did that not happen? Okay, let me pause this video for a moment. Video back on. I am now initializing. The only thing I did is I just moved the gantry in a neutral position in the middle part of the printer. That's all I did. So I turned it on. Now I am going to come over here and initialize it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it worked then. So it worked 2 out of 3 times. Why is it working now than it did before? I don't know. But you heard it the first time. It was grinding out. It wasn't making. So what I had to do is grab hold of it and force it in that direction towards the back. Make negative X direction, let's say, to force it to engage the install. Well, anyway, so you saw the phenomenon occur initially. And you're seeing the lights. I don't know if this is the way the lights are supposed to be, but that's the way they are now. Okay, this is for TIERTIME. This is Dave, and I will be posting this on the internet shortly. Thanks for watching.